Hello friends, myself Dr. Renu Vanna, doctor and counselor. Today I will talk that how I can remember God from morning till night, doing all actions in various relationships and how I benefit by this. To stay in God's remembrance, one should know His identity and God's identity. Who am I? I, the soul or consciousness, resides in the body. It means that I have two fathers. One father is of my body, that is my biological father. The other father is of my soul, that is God or supersoul. Now we see body is mortal and soul is immortal. It means I get different bodies and different fathers in each birth, but soul's father remains the same, that is God or supersoul. Now see how strong my relation with God is. When I get aware of this identity of me and God, then stay in remembrance becomes quite easy with knowledge. We are quite familiar that how a mother remembers her child while doing any task with her intellect. And we have also seen that how a girl who is engaged remembers her fiancé while doing any task with her intellect. In the same way, we can remember God with our intellect when we get aware of our identity and God's identity. By taking birth by birth, I forget my real identity. I started feeling that I am a body, not a soul. Now, when I got aware of this, I have to connect with Him to get my real actual qualities back, that are peace, purity, love, knowledge, happiness and bliss. And it gives me the real happiness too. No doubt it takes intense effort to stay in remembrance, but by doing practice, when I look for the benefits, then I can stay with her remembrance very easily with intellect. Now, and how I benefit by this? Well, I live many relations with Him. In the morning when I get up in Amrit Vela, He becomes my father. I get blessing, I get power from Him when I as a soul connect with my Father, Super Soul. When I go for a walk, He becomes my friend. I enjoy His company. And when I read God's teaching, that is Murli, He becomes my teacher. And when I offer bhog to Him, He becomes my sweet child. I love Him. And when I got stuck in any problem, He helped me to come out of it, and then He becomes my true companion. In the whole day, I used to live with Him. I enjoy His company. And now the life becomes the full of happiness and enthusiasm. I really thankful to God, to Super Soul, who choose me to connect with Him. Lastly, one thing I want to say, that we have to remind ourselves constantly about His teachings. Otherwise, we will trap in vices or Maya. So be careful. We have to put efforts. Hold Him tightly or let Him hold you tightly. As real happiness lies under God's canopy. Thank you. Om Shanti.